In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Flutter project. There are two methods to create it. Here goes the first one. In menu bar, click on view and select command palette. In command palette, type Flutter and you will see these three options: new project, Flutter Doctor, Flutter upgrade. Through Flutter Doctor we can check whether Flutter SDK is completely installed or not. Flutter upgrade, to upgrade the Flutter SDK. Select new project to create a new project. Okay, here are some templates of Flutter application. You can select any of these depending on your requirements. You can also create an empty application, a skeleton application with some built-in widgets, a module, package and a plugin. I'm going to select this first option that will create a basic layout with some widgets. Next we have to select a directory in which we are going to create our project. After selecting the directory, give a suitable name to your project and hit enter. It will take some time to create a new Flutter project. After it's done, you will see your project file in the side pane, and the main.dart file will open in the editor. Okay, this is the first method to create a Flutter project. The second method is simple. We just have to select a directory first where we are going to create our project. Okay, just select select a directory where you are going to create a new Flutter project. Then open a new terminal from the menu bar. Okay, in this terminal you have to type Flutter create keywords and then write your project name and hit enter. Okay, to create a new project it will take some time. After it's done, and you will see your project files in the side pane, in the left side pane, and the main.dart file will open in the editor next to this pane.